Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Both of us from class 4A would like to explain about the etiquette business in Singapore with myself Alia Safitri and my friends
Umu Khofifah.
about Singapore. Map of Singapore. Singapore is a group of over 60 island locations in Southeastern Asia. It lies about 1 degree of latitude, 137 kilometers or 85 miles north of the equator of southern tip of the Malay Peninsula.
Singapore was adopted in 1959. The year Singapore became self-governing within the British Empire. It remained the national flag upon the country's independence from Malaysia on 9 August 1965. Symbolizes universal fellowship and equality, and white symbolizes pervading and everlasting purity and virtue. The crescent moon represents a young nation on the ascendant. The 5 stars stand for the nation ideals of democracy, peace, progress, justice, and equality. The crescent symbol is also seen by the national Muslim activists to represent Islam.
What is the cultural icon of Singapore? The melon, which merges the symbol of a fish and the lion, is an unmissable Singapore icon. Come see the Singapore icon that is half fish and half lion at the Merlion Park. Be fascinated by the stories behind the Merlion and how Singapore come to be. Language of Singapore. The national language of Singapore is Malay. The constitution also states that the 4 commonly used languages of Singapore are English, Chinese, Malay, and Tamil. English is the most widely spoken language, primarily by the population below the age of 50, and the medium of instruction in school. English is also the language of business and government in Singapore, besides on British English. A unique and widely spoken language in Singapore is the Singlish. It is primarily the colloquial form of English, having a distinct accent and ignoring the basic standards of English grammar.
Dress etiquette. Singapore business dress is long sleeve shirt on tee for men, although one will not be out of place without a tie. Some formal meetings call for a coat and tee. Businesswomen wear lightweight attire. Evening dinner dress is a shirt and tie for men, but there is a strict dress code for women. Singapore State Business Meeting Etiquette. 1. In a business meeting, when meeting for the first time and a handshake is sufficient, bowing is completely unnecessary unless required in certain cultures. Maintain reasonable body contact and still leave some personal space between you and the other person. 2. Dress code. So business attire, shirt and pants or skirt without a jacket or blazer is fine. You don't even need to wear a tie if the meeting is very formal. 3. Give a business card, namely with both hands with the writing on the business card point to the recipient Receiving business card is also done with both hands as a sign of respect. When receiving a business card, it will be best to look at it briefly and hold it for a few moments, then place it on the table, greeting sign on during the meeting.
Behavior that should not be done in Singapore. Do not bring a camera while in the prostitution area. Treat like district. Keep in mind that prostitutes are people too. Don't buy t-shirt depicting Singapore as a city full of the world fine. Don't take a photo in front of the Marillion statue with a pose as if the water from the statue is spurting from your mouth. This is very boring because many people have done it. Find other more interesting poses. Don't go to the center of the podium at the nightclub on Mambo Nights to replicate the hand gesture. The people there had been trained of years to perfect their moves, and they certainly did not enjoy the presence of drums. Don't say at international hotel chains. Things to do in Singapore. Present yourself in a clean and well-dressed manner, and make sure to tidy up after yourself. Be mindful of the mess or disorganization you might have left in a room. Make an effort to keep discussion harmonious and balanced. Avoid dominating conversating and allow space for others to speak up. Always demonstrate patience, soundness, and politeness. If you want to order the place at a coffee shop in Singapore, you can simply pass a packet of tissue to prevent people from taking your seat. Place a tissue in empty chair. Guaranteed no one will occupy it except for tourists who don't understand it.
The etiquette of gift giving. 1. Be careful when giving gifts. When you're invited to a social event by a business associate, it's a good idea to bring some wine, or if the host does drink alcohol, the two religions bring chocolate. Taipei is not a custom in Singapore but is appreciated here. 2. It is important to become familiar with the type of gifts that are common to each ethnic identity. The appropriate gift may vary depending on a Singapore ethnic and religions. The popular publisher in Singapore. Lindsay Media is another small independent publishing company based in Singapore. They only produce books in Chinese and prefer adult threat fiction. They do, however, occasionally consider children's picture books, non-fiction books, and poetry collection. Some of their titles include Five Lessons of Young Youth by Wang Deyuan. Thank you for your attention. We hope the context of this presentation may help you understand Singapore business world. Thank you.